this tutorial, we are going to solve simple trigonometrical equations of the form sin theta equals k, cosine theta is equal to k, where k is a constant, and the goal is to find angle theta based on the condition that k is between -1 and 1. Or tan theta is equal to p, where p is a real number. Now we will solve an equation with the form sin theta equals k. Look at the description. You need to be able to solve simple trigonometrical equations of the form that we already explained. You can show solutions to the equation sin theta equals half in the interval where theta is between 0 and 360 degrees by plotting the graphs of y equals sin theta and y equals half and seeing where they intersect. So we can solve this by drawing the graph that represents the first function, which is sin theta. It looks like this. Theta is between 0 and 360 degrees. We draw the straight line, which is y equals to half, and we plot half on the y-axis. Then we draw the straight line like this. Then we look at the points of intersection between the graph and the straight line. That will be the solution of the theta, where theta is 30 degrees and 150 degrees. This requires us to draw the graph in a very accurate way. Pay attention that there is an alternative method that we can use. You can find the exact solutions by using what you already know about trigonometrical functions. We will see this method by solving this example. Find the solutions of the equation sin theta equals to half in the interval where theta is between 0 and 360 degrees. Pay attention that we have the word solutions. That means we could have more than one angle which satisfies the relation that sin theta equals to half. Let's start. Sin theta equals half, while knowing that theta is between 0 and 360 degrees. We are going to use the calculator. In order to find theta, we say sine -1 to the value here, which is half. Okay, so this is the calculator. Pay attention that the unit used for theta is degrees. We press on shift, sine. As you can see, we have sine -1. For the value that is 1 over 2 equals, the value for theta is 30 degrees. This is only one solution for the theta. The calculator is programmed to give us the acute angle or the first angle that can satisfy this relation. Now we need to find the other solution. We will look at the quadrant plane. We already defined that theta is between 0 and 360 degrees, so it is in this range. The first angle is 30 degrees. We want another value for the angle such that the sign is positive, and it is in the second quadrant. The sign here is equal to plus half. To find this angle, we say 180 degrees minus 30. Here, it equals 30 degrees as well. So the other solution is theta equals 180 minus 30. The answer is 150 degrees. If you enter sine 150 degrees on the calculator, the solution will be half. That means these are the two solutions. It could be 30 degrees or 150 degrees.